Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial we will see how to replace a desktop computer power supply. We are using a thermaltake light power supply which generates 450 watts. It consists of one main power connector of 24 pins, one ATX connector of 4 by 4 pins, four peripheral connectors of 4 pins, four SATA connectors, two PCI connectors and one connector of 4 pin for floppy drive. It is a very reliable, flexible power supply. It consumes very less power. It will manage your all cables easily, reduce clutters, increase airflow inside your chassis. A very good and very reliable power supply. So let's see how to replace the power supply. First we will remove our 8 pin ATX connector which produce 12 watts. Now we will remove our 24 pin main power connector. Remove the remaining connectors from your peripheral devices, SSD, hard disk, CD-ROM, or if you are using any other graphic cards, remove all of these connectors. After removing all the connectors, we will unscrew our power supply. While removing the power supply, hold the power supply so that it cannot fall onto your motherboard. It cannot make any damages inside your motherboard. Unbox the new power supply, remove the covers. Here we have one power cable and there is our power supply. Mention that this power supply is of 2 years warranty. We can replace our power supply within 2 years if any damages or any flaws are made inside this power supply. Hold the power supply while screwing it so it cannot fall onto your motherboard like we have done while unscrewing the power supply. After screwing the power supply, find the 8-pin ATX connector and connect it on your motherboard. Find out the 24-pin main power connector and connect into your 24-pin ports on your motherboard, which is the main power supply. Provide the main power connections to your motherboard. Connect all the SATA connectors with your peripheral devices like SSD, hard disk, CD-ROM and other peripheral devices like graphic card. Everything is successfully done. Now we'll connect our power cable to our power supply and connect your VGA cable to check whether the power supply is working correctly or not. All the power cables are successfully installed. We'll see everything is working like our CD-ROM, our SSD, our hard drive is working fine or not. Switch on your power supply and push your PC power button. We can see our power supply is successfully working. All of the components are successfully working. You must remove all the wires throughout your fan. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.